Hello friends, welcome back to Surya Chess. Today we have a guest from Pune, Vikrant, and he is a very good chess player. We played two matches earlier and he beaten me. So we have a very good match today, hoping for the tougher match, and maybe I'll try to win against him. So Vikrant, do you wanna say something to the chess lovers?
Yes. Hello.
Yeah. Okay, you might have received the link. Just check in the app, right? Yeah, just
Okay, I
accept.
got the
Yeah.
request. I am accepting now.
Yeah, accept it, and I'll just keep on a mute for myself as well on the Zoom,
Yes.
so we can I can comment it. Okay, just accept it. Sure. Okay, the game has begun with the e4. Oh, okay. There is always this commented move is knight to c6. So guys, I'm getting one call from friends. Just give me a sec. Just message in that time. Just get a message to him. Okay, let's go with this. Next idea would be to go to the queen on b6, so just play this move to support this. Okay, I'm getting continuous call. Sorry guys for the disturbance. Okay, the idea is always for this is to come here and attack here. So let's push the pawn here and just get the control over the b5 pawn, b5 square. Now next idea would be to push the pawn further. Vikrant is taking his own time. If I come back, shall I go with the exchange and pick this pawn? But this will also hangs. And if he picks here like this, and it comes here, can capture, comes here, and this square will not be no longer defended. If I come back, it may push further, and again it is coming here. I need to go here to support this, and this will be the hangs. So first let's capture, support the pawn, and then go for the next plan. Then maybe now this is hanging, so or just go here. If he supports here, then I need to go here and exchange this, but he may go here to attack here. Okay, he has just blundered the pawn here, so I'm going to grab the pawn here. Now hitting here, so queen has to go back either here on d3 or go on to the d1, because this pawn is hanging now. He's taking on time. He's a very good in calculation, guys, just to tell you. The first match was a very brutal. I was just not expecting that much, and he just played a very well match and did a checkmate without queen. Means it's like the two bishops versus two bishops and a rook. So it was a nice game, but that time we did not have recorded because there were some issue with the electricity and also, yeah, as expected, he went back. Can I just play here? But it can come here, and it's like, and if I come here on the b6, knight can jump in, and I may have to lose the bishop here. Just come back because you are already upper pawn, so it will be nice to come back on the place. I also went there, but it's on the hanging piece, so could not go there. Let's see what is his next plan. In the Caracon, always you are behind the development, and it's a slow development, and your castling is getting delayed because of a lot of pawn movements and all. So yeah, this move I was expecting. So can I just push the pawn here and go for here then? Or shall I just simply go here for the exchange of bishops? Let's go and develop the bishops first, so that we can simply exchange the bishops. With the one pawn up, maybe we can go for the in games as well. That will be very helpful. Next plan is to develop the knight here and go for the castle. Yeah, he did captured. He can come here. Yeah, that was the original idea. Now I can go here. This is defended now, so how can I support? If I go here, that means I am weakening the king side. That is a very good move. I should have first developed this, but the problem was with that of the bishop pin. Okay, let's go with the pawn push. Let's see. This is very interesting game going on, guys. Can we go here? Just control this square. Okay, he did went for the long castle. So if I go here, queen may jump into the square and hitting the knight where knight has to go, and this pawn is weakened. So can I just go with the castling as well? Queen is in the... I think I should also go for the long castle. Let's go with the long castle and just move here your king. So always remember that whenever there is a bishop, you should not keep your king in the same color, because that will be like a discover attack somewhere else coming like this. Let's suppose the pawn is not there and this pawn is also not there. He can jump on. Yeah, that's what he did, and I'm also planning to do here. And I have the open file for the rook. That is a good point for me. So I'm going to put the rook towards the c square, c8 square. I'll start pushing the pawns further here. Okay, it's planning to jump here. But can I grab this bishop with the knight? Yeah, I can, right? Is it going to give the help in the development to him? Okay, let's go with it. We might jump in here. I can go with the exchange, no problem. If tries to come somewhere else here, then yeah, that was the original idea, to jump in here. Now rook might comes into the game, or maybe he is going to sack here and open up my king. Okay, let's go here, and now this is dependent at the moment. Queen is also dependent, and king is in the correct square. Yeah, this was a very good idea. If I would have played capturing here, he will not go for recapture. He can simply go for rook capture. So now I can jump in here. He can jump in here, no problem. If his knight is jumping here, no problem for me. I can simply come here and kick the queen here. Okay, now I can capture the. Now the idea is simply put the rook here and go here, right? Guys, I just did a blunder here, and it's a check. But I am now just exchange down here at the moment. Now 23 seconds left. There is still some hope of time at least. He might going for it. Now this is very interesting. Hmm. Supposed to go here with the double attack. If he wants, he can grab here, no problem. I'm going to grab here or here. This rook needs to be defended now. Is there any perpetual where hmm, okay, I am also losing low, very low on time. Let's capture and let's go for perpetuals. Let him capture the pieces, no problem. Okay. Can I just simply go here? No, it's 9-10 seconds. I should have went here. He has to move. Okay, he's simply given up the exchange back and asking for the trade of coins. Can I go here for the trades? Let's go. Okay, who's going to make first win? I think he's going to make first win with the check. And it's a equal game, and this is coming with the check. This is going to be the draw, man. Okay, I have the check here. And this is going to be the draw. So let me just unmute. Yeah, Rahul. So it was like a very funny game. So guys,
button last.
yeah, actually you were winning, but at the end I just found some tricks where I just did one blunder of the complete row, and yeah,
Yes.
you did find correct the best move that time, but I was just trying to just go for at least draw, and yeah, we did draw. So guys, I told earlier it
I
was
don't have another option.
yeah, it was a very nice game. So this is the first draw on the channel, and very interesting end game. So guys, do like, share, subscribe. Vikrant, you wanna say something before closing the video?
Yes, guys, please subscribe to the channel and like and comment our mistake and blunders, please.
Sure, definitely. So thank you guys for watching the video. Do like, share, subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye bye.